Your new book is a collection of Napoleon Hill's early writings and lessons. Briefly remind us who Napoleon Hill is and how you came to write this book.
Napoleon Hill is the father/grandfather of positive mental attitude and personal development in America. He has sold hundreds of millions of books, and globally, literally. His magnum opus, Think and Grow Rich, has sold 100 million by itself, which is pretty cool. Yeah. So I got my positive attitude from Napoleon Hill reading Think and Grow Rich as I was training myself in sales with a bunch of other guys, and we did a book report on a chapter each day in our meeting. We had the meeting for a year, so there's only 15 chapters in the book. We went through the book, I read the book more than 10 times in 1 year, and I got a permanent positive attitude. So when I met Don Green, who's the CEO or founder or head guy of the Napoleon Hill Foundation, I offered something of value to say thanks. This is my deal with him. I said, look, I'll do your newsletter every week on one condition. And he said, what's that? I said, that you never give me a dime. He was like,
an offer he can't refuse.
I'm pretty dumbfounded to give that kind of an offer, but I've been doing it now for almost 15 years. And we built a large list, and they found the first writings of Napoleon Hill a few years ago, and they called me and said, would you like to annotate this and edit this? And I said, whoo.